Yes, Jai Gurudev children. Beta, today is your GK class and we are starting beta from unit 3. Okay, see that what is the first in part chapter in this unit? Around the world, the capital cities. Identify the capital cities based on these description. Description is given to you and you have to find that which is the that city. It is the capital city of Germany and is the one of the 16 states of the Germany. It has a population of 3:4 million people and is Germany's largest city. Beta, Germany's largest city is Berlin. So that's why I have written here Berlin. Okay. Next question is that it is the capital and the largest city in Spain and the population of the city is roughly 3.3 million as of December 2009. The entire population of the metropolitan area is calculated to be nearly 6.5 million. It is third most populous municipality in the European Union after London and Berlin. Beta, that city is Madrid. That city is beta Madrid. Now come to the third question. It is the capital of Japan and the largest metropolitan area of Japan. Everybody knows that what is the capital of Japan, that is Tokyo. And in complete it is written as Tokyo Metropolis. Okay. Now come to the question number 4. The capital of the Turkey and the country's second largest city after Istanbul. Okay. Now it is discussing about Turkey. The city has a mean deviation of 938 meter and as of 2008 the city had a population of 4.5 million. That is beta Ankara. That is Ankara. Okay. Now come to the question number 5th. It is the capital and the largest city of the Netherlands. Capital of Netherlands is beta Amsterdam. Okay, rest of the description part you can read for your knowledge. Okay, now come to the question number 6. It is the capital of England and capital of England is what is, that is London. Okay, rest description you should know because from the question can come in your exam from the description part also. Okay, so you just keep this description part also in your mind. What is written then? And the United Kingdom, the largest metropolitan area in the United Kingdom and the largest urban zone in the European Union by the most measures in 2012. And last one is that it is the capital and the largest city of Argentina. Beta, capital of Argentina is the Buenos Aires. Is Buenos Aires. Now see that beta, chapter 2 of this means this unit. There are many places whose name has been changed. Column A has the old names and write down the new names in the column B. See that now what are they? Madras. Madras is the old name of Chennai. Okay. So it is old name of Chennai. Then second, Cochin. Cochin is was the old name and new name is Kochi. Kochi, Kochi. Okay. Calcutta was the old name, new name is Kolkata. Okay. Baroda was the old name, new name is Varodara. Then Bombay was new name, new name is beta Mumbai. Okay. It was Kanpur and new name is Kanpur. Kanpur. Pune, old name, new name is Pune. Republic of Zaire. Its name is now Democratic Republic of the Congo. Okay. See that now. Beijing, its new name is Peking. And last, Odisha, its new name is Odisha. Okay, just enough for today, beta. Okay, in the next day when our GK turn will come, okay, it is coming alternate now, alternate weeks. When next term will come, at that time we will do the chapter number 3rd. Till that, thank you and Jai Gurudev to all of you.